Hey everyone, Wolfgang here with the pre-release, the first sneak peek of Capsule. So Capsule is a web ID for bytecoding mobile apps. It's open source, and I'm pretty excited to show you what I've been building. So let's just jump straight into the feature set. I mean, OSS is a feature, but it's pretty interesting that you will be able to build your own bytecoding projects if you like to. And of course, we're gonna have a cloud version for you to try, but still the idea is for us to build with the community. And there's a lot of features, modules that it's gonna be useful for all the community. So pretty excited about sharing that. But jumping into the feature set, we have the AI code agent, the code editor built on top of Monaco, Web and Expo Go previews, Git restore feature. We got send error to prompt to fix errors, real-time voice prompting, download code-based launcher for, we hope, everything, but we're starting with an initial version and much more. I forgot, for example, to talk about the edit feature. There are others, but we're gonna leave it for now with these feature sets, and I would love to show you the app. So here it is. We're a little bit opinionated around we want to build universal apps. We're on the Expo train of thought and building, you can build a mobile app, but hey, you have a web app for free almost. And I love the space around universal apps. I have worked a lot through the years on it. And yeah, Capsule, bit opinionated about it. If you don't want to, don't worry, you still have your mobile app, but pretty interesting that you get that web bundle almost for free and having a code base that's so that it's united around the UI, the logic, and even bugs. It's pretty good. So yeah, bytecode universal apps that work on iOS, Android, and web. Let's look at it. So I did this prompt, pretty simple, create Airbnb clone, use the same style Airbnb app uses. That always helps. Here we have it. If you notice on the left, we have the agent with different cards that try to, per color, show you what they're doing. So we have the to-do list, the code agent giving you feedback, reading file content, and others. And in the end, we've got an app on the right. And what's more amazing than that is that we get the app running on Expo Go. So yeah, there it is, pretty cool. The same app that we were seeing on web now running as a native app with the native tab bar and so forth. We do get some errors, but all in all, there's the app. So pretty exciting that we can build on top of this initial prompt and move around and keep on building on this. Pretty cool and decent app for Capsule. But I also really think that bytecoding pushes you into something amazing like this preview, but you need to code a bit, right? Like we all know that having better understanding of how to technically prompt or jump into code and fix something is part of the deal. Else you'll be trapped on bytecoding land and you won't be able to ship anything in the end. Or if you did, congrats, like that's a feat on its own. So that's why in the middle of the interface we have the code editor built on top of the Monaco editor that VS Code uses, and we've been adding on top a couple of things that I would like to show quickly. So yeah, if I pick up on a file, I get to jump into the file. I can edit here, as you see. We can try editing on a second. But besides that, I think it's interesting that we can have a great look around all the files that we can edit on our sidebar. But it happens that as the project grows, it would be great to have a little bit of the features we like and use pretty much when we are on an IDE like VS Code, for example. So for that, let's try out the launcher. So on the launcher has a couple of options related to the editor, so you can jump to a file. So let's try maybe jumping to the index. That makes sense. And maybe, of course, we would like to jump straight to a line. So for that we have searching files, and I'm gonna go with use effect or something like that. Yeah, maybe the second line, and we will jump into that line. It's the selection that I searched for. It's there with my cursor already in place. So pretty neat. It's a first version and I'm pretty happy about it. We could also search in file. So I'm gonna go with something simple. I don't know the code base, but search for that import, and we will jump into that line. So yeah, the code editor. What next? So we do have error handling, solving issues when the app goes wrong. So I'm gonna just trigger this as an example, but you can find out where the app breaks. We got the red screen of death here showing. We'll get the error, and with that we can send straight to the prompt to be fixed. So as you see, the error went here and I could send it. And we do have another option, which is view details. So over here you do get the stack trace with more details around that. And after that you could maybe send the error here or to Google it, whatever you find fit around what you need to fix the issue. And I would say that's pretty much it. There are other features that I showcased on the list that will be available. For that, it would be great for you to join the waitlist. So capsuledis.com, you will get to the waitlist and be among the first to try the open source and the cloud version. You can follow us on X. We are CapsuleDis. We're going to be sharing more about the project, and we are going to release it on this account. So be sure to subscribe. And yeah, this is going to be fun. We're having a great time building this, and I hope you like it. We're releasing soon, and I just wanted to bring out a sneak peek of what we've been building and get you excited about it. And yeah, see you in the next one.